Hello everyone, welcome to Dream Decor. Today in this video I share with you some cottage style home decoration ideas. Let's see the video. Cottage style home decorating is all about creating a warm, cozy and charming space that feels both welcoming and timeless. It blends comfort with character, often using natural materials, soft colors, and vintage-inspired pieces. The look can be romantic, rustic, or even slightly eclectic, depending on how you style it. Here are some key cottage-style decorating ideas. Core elements of cottage-style home decorating. Soft color palettes. Use whites, creams, pastels, and muted tones for a light, airy feel. Natural materials. Incorporate wood, wicker, linen, cotton, and stone for authenticity. Mix old and new. Pair vintage finds, antique dressers, old clocks, rustic tables with modern comfort. Cozy textiles. Layer with quilts, crocheted throws, lace curtains, and floral cushions. Floral and botanical patterns. Use delicate prints on fabrics, wallpaper, or even painted furniture. Rustic furniture. Distressed wood tables, slip-covered sofas, and farmhouse-style chairs. Open shelving. Display pretty dishes, glass jars, and collection in kitchens or living rooms. Charming accessories. Add candles, lanterns, enamelware, and vintage sinks. Handmade touches. Crochet, embroidery, or DIY decor add authenticity. Cottage garden feel. Bring nature indoors with fresh flowers, potted herbs, and greenery. Painted furniture. Don't be afraid to paint old wooden chairs or cabinets in soft pastels or distressed white for a shabby chic cottage look. Mix and match patterns. Combine stripes, florals, gingham, and checks in a harmonious, layered way. Cottage decor thrives on pattern play. Use slip covers. White or floral slip covers make furniture look relaxed, casual, and easy to maintain. Decorate with vintage finds. Flea market treasures like enamel pictures, old mirrors, and vintage tins and charm. Add wicker and rattan, baskets, chairs, or storage pieces made for wicker instantly give a cozy cottage feel. Warm lighting use lamps with fabric shades, fairy lights, and candles instead of harsh overhead lighting. Exposed wood and beams, if possible. Highlight natural wood ceilings, beams, or floors for rustic authenticity. Gallery walls with character. Frame old botanical prints, family photos, or vintage artwork for an eclectic touch. Open and airy windows. Use sheer curtains or lace panels to let in natural light and keep the space breezy. I think these tips help you. Thank you so much for watching this video.